In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a mysterious and formidable creature silently navigates the winding waterways. With a body that can grow up to 30 feet in length, the anaconda is a true giant of the jungle. The anaconda, a member of the boa constrictor family, is an elusive and powerful predator that has fascinated and terrified explorers for centuries. With its sleek and muscular body, the anaconda is perfectly adapted to life in the water. The life cycle of the anaconda is a fascinating journey. From the moment they hatch from their leathery eggs, baby anacondas face a perilous journey to adulthood, navigating the dangers of the rainforest and learning the skills necessary for survival. The anaconda is a master of stealth and patience. Armed with powerful muscles and remarkable camouflage, it patiently waits for the perfect moment to strike, ambushing unsuspecting prey and using its incredible strength to constrict and overpower even the largest of animals. The Amazon is home to 4 main species of anacondas: the green anaconda, yellow anaconda, dark-spotted anaconda, and the Benny anaconda. Each species has unique characteristics and is adapted to specific regions within the vast Amazon basin. Anacondas possess an incredible jaw structure that enables them to swallow prey much larger than their herd. Their flexible lower jaw and loosely connected skull bones allow them to stretch their mouth around large prey, such as capybaras and caimans. While anacondas generally avoid human interaction, occasional encounters have given rise to tales of fishermen and villagers sharing their waterways with these massive serpents. Understanding the behavior of anacondas is crucial to promoting coexistence between these apex predators and local communities. Anacondas engage in elaborate mating rituals, with males actively seeking out females during the breeding season. After a successful courtship, female anacondas can store sperm for several months before fertilizing their eggs and giving birth to live young. Anacondas are masters of camouflage. Their intricate patterns and coloration allow them to seamlessly blend into the dense vegetation along riverbanks, making them nearly invisible to both prey and potential predators. This adaptive camouflage plays a crucial role in their hunting strategy and self-defense. Anacondas are ectothermic, meaning they rely on external sources to regulate their body temperature. They bask in the sun to warm up, and when they need to cool down, they retreat to the water. This thermal flexibility enables them to thrive in the varying climates of the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon River, home to the anaconda, is a diverse and vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. From colorful fish to elusive caimans, the river plays host to a variety of creatures that form the anaconda's complex food web. Scientists consider anacondas to be ecological indicators, meaning their presence and behavior can reflect the overall health of their habitat. Monitoring anaconda populations helps researchers gauge the well-being of the entire ecosystem, as they are sensitive to changes in their environment. Indigenous communities in the Amazon have long held deep cultural connections with anacondas. In some belief systems, anacondas are revered as powerful spirits or guardians of the rivers, showcasing the intricate interweaving of wildlife and cultural traditions in the region. Anacondas are known to move across vast distances in search of food, mates, and suitable breeding grounds. Tracking their migration patterns is essential for understanding their role in maintaining biodiversity and preserving the delicate balance of the Amazonian ecosystem. Contrary to popular belief, anacondas are not venomous. They rely on their powerful bodies and constricting abilities to subdue and incapacitate prey. The constriction not only prevents the prey from breathing but also causes a rapid increase in pressure, leading to cardiac arrest in the captured animal. Anacondas play a vital role in the Amazonian food web, controlling prey populations and preventing overgrazing. Their presence helps maintain a balanced ecosystem, contributing to the overall health and diversity of the rainforest. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Please leave any comments below and hit the bell to be notified of future videos.